Welcome to Cochera, the home of the classic Mercedes Benz, with more than 2,500 meters dedicated to the restoration, part supply and sales of these historic vehicles. You can see how we are dedicated to these cars. Each of them a treasure of travels, memories, sensations and feelings from different motor lover generations. And in addition to the peculiar history of each car, we ourselves at Cochera also have our own history. It was 1993 when Cochera first got started in Guadarrama. As its advert remembers, it was a place aimed at the classic car market. Little by little, this romantic garage specialized in the Mercedes trademark and has become a reference point for hundreds of devotees. At the end of 2001, a new management team joined the project. Those were years of great progress and a modern corporative image was created. The brand name was fixed as the one we know nowadays, simply Cochera. The company moved then to new facilities in Guadarrama, and hundreds of clients from all over the country come to visit us. Therefore, our work did not go unnoticed by both classic car lovers and the mass media. There was still a dream to fulfill. In 2004, we found an avant-garde building close to the Cercedilla train station. It is located in a strategic enclave nestled in the mountains just in the north of Madrid, next to a Roman bridge dated 76 after Christ. The spaciousness and suitability of the facilities makes this a perfect place. This meant our biggest investment. The building assumed its current appearance. Cochera is currently located in a two-story building. On the top floor, there is a showroom with a large exhibition of classic Mercedes-Benz automobiles for sale. Each motorcar comes from different periods and styles. Consequently, we take great care to make our clients aware of the original appearance of any given car. Thus, buying a classic car in Cochera gives our clients the security that they need when making a sound investment decision. Close to the reception area, you can see the Mercedes Benz Automobilia Boutique, a small shop to purchase clocks, miniatures and other original articles and accessories from the famous German trademark. This is our office area and our meeting room, where we have more than 100 square meters. You can see the spectacular natural setting that surrounds our facilities in Cercedilla. In Cochera, the relationship with our clients is aimed at being professional and familiar. In addition, we care about the work of our mechanics so that they are always working in optimal conditions. Welcome to our garage, the place where we make possible that any classic Mercedes-Benz does shine as in its best times. Cochera has one of the best and leading facilities in Spain, as well as highly skilled professionals. Here is where we restore the vehicles. This is the activity that gives prestige to the company. Cochera has its own working system that cares thoughtfully for the minimum detail. The whole process, from the previous documentation about the car's features to the last adjustments and touches, are supervised by our own personnel. Our experience tells us that this is the only way to attain optimal results. Restoration usually begins in the car body as a basis for the rest of the process. If the shell is in very bad condition, it might impair any other kind of repair. To achieve this goal, we have a specialized room to this effect. In contrast with other garages, Cochera is at the disposal of repairing all types of car bodies, either using original material from Mercedes or, when necessary, reproducing panels in their original forms with specialized machinery. Restoration of the technical and mechanical parts are made with great precision in Cochera thanks to our collection of original restoration and maintenance manuals, as well as to our highly skilled professional staff. and also to the experience of more than 15 years of specialization in the trademark of the star. These are our credentials. Another part of the process, perhaps the more luxurious one, is bringing the aesthetic splendor back to all parts of the vehicle. This process is made with absolute respect for the original surface of the car and according to the client's preferences, details that finally shape the personality and originality of the car. Once the process is finished, the whole vehicle is reviewed. It is mandatory that everything works to the millimeter. After being verified, the final exam is complete. An exhaustive quality control system is in place in Cochera. Thus, we reassure that the car runs in a comfortable, secure and reliable way. We are proud to say that after our tune-ups and road trials, all our vehicles are ready for the most hard driving experiences. One of the biggest problems that a classic car owner can find is the lack of spare parts in the market. In Cochera, there is a department fully specialized in selling spare parts. We have catalogs well differentiated by model, as well as a wide warehouse with more than 10,000 references in permanent stock. But what is more, we compromise ourselves to find any spare part that our clients may need. Any request, as difficult as it might seem, is attended and sorted out as soon as possible. During the last few years, Cochera also invested in sophisticated information technology. Giving the best service to the most demanding clients is the aim of www.cochera.com. Our webpage is a pioneer within the sector and offers multiple possibilities. Through it, the clients may consult online the spare part catalog, as well as are able to apply for any piece that may need for their vehicles. Also, they can look for a car to buy and to purchase articles from our Automobilia boutique. And for those clients that have their car being restored in our garage, Cochera offers an exclusive service of access via internet in a private area, in which the restoration process, step by step, may be followed in detail at home. But Cochera wanted to go further forward, and our last commitment was to build a racing team. Our motor racing team consists of 6 Mercedes Benz, replicas of those that races in the 50s, 60s and 70s. We have competed with these vehicles in rallies as outstanding as the Monte Carlo Historic Rally, a race on alpine roads where our cars have been always positioning in the top rankings. All vehicles of the team are meticulously prepared by Cochera professionals, an effort that translates into high accuracy in the most demanding tests and which put the results on the owner's hands. So, you know, Cochera is the classic Mercedes Benz house, a company with more than 2,500 square meters, with qualified, enthusiastic and highly skilled staff that face an arduous challenge every day to make it possible that classic Mercedes Benz cars make their way back on the road.